Today we're going to talk about the viewer software for the Fluke 810 vibration tester. The software has several functions. One function is to facilitate the transfer of machine data, the data from the results of testing a machine to the vibration tester, from and to the vibration tester. You can also export machine data for additional expert analysis. Machine setup. You can create new machine setups, you can edit existing ones, and you can view machine setups that are in memory. And you can also select and view diagnosis data. So you can look at machine setups, and you can review full machine diagnosis, repair details, and you can also look at the spectral data. The last function is setting personal preferences. And those are the major functions of the 810 viewer software: transferring, machine setups, and viewing diagnoses.